Ahead of the nationwide Chakka Jam on February 6th announced by the farmer organizations, the police in Delhi has turned the borders of the state into a fortress. The police has beefed up security, strengthened the barricades with barbed wires and studded nails on the roads at the borders of the national capital. These multiple layers of barricades have been reportedly built to stop the protesting farmers from crossing borders at Ghazipur, Tikri and Singhu into Delhi. These are the 3 points where protests of the farmers have been going on for the last 2 months against the 3 agricultural laws passed by the central government. Both Ghazipur and Singhu border have seen violence. Police says that to prevent Republic Day-like situation, they have taken these steps. According to the report by India.com, iron nails have been cemented on the roads near the barricades at Tikri border in an attempt to stop protesting farmers who are agitating against the centre's new farm laws. At Singhu, which is Delhi-Haryana border, under the watch of police personnel, workers were seen hooking iron rods between the 2 rows of cement barriers on a flank of the main highway. After the makeshift cement wall came up, another portion of the highway at Singhu border is now practically blocked. Multi-layer barricades have been put up at Ghazipur, which is Delhi-Uttar Pradesh border, to stop the movement of vehicles. Barbed wire has also been placed on roads to keep off people on the foot. Protesters were pouring in as BKU's Rakesh Tikait and his union's members stayed pitch at Ghazipur's UP gate, occupying the stretch of the Delhi-Meerut highway since November. Hundreds of Provincial Armed Constabulary, which is PAC, and Rapid Action Force personnel stayed alert while drones were being used to monitor the situation and vehicles were being checked as more support flowed in for the BKU from Uttar Pradesh, Haryana and Rajasthan. As of Monday, there were several layers of security, 2 heavy layers of metal barricading, a layer of large stone boulders, followed by the layer of nails and a layer of concrete barricades. A few meters ahead of that was another layer of stone boulders, followed by yet another layer of concrete barricades after a few meters. Meanwhile, farmers' organizations say that the police are playing songs on loudspeakers from place to place. They allege that police is trying to use an emotional card by playing songs like Sandese Aate Hain. The famous song is from the film Border and is filmed on soldiers who are away from their families. Police personnel said that the sound system were set up to address the forces and had to be checked. Whereas the Kisan Mazdoor Sangharsh Samiti has demanded that the DJ playing with the police near Singhu border must be shut down because it is causing them problems. The committee has issued a press release in this regard and has also shared a video. The committee said it is ready for talks but on 2 conditions. First, the government should stop harassment of all the protesting farmers, and secondly, they should release all those who have been arrested from the protest site. Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.